Nditimurano hiyo riu netanyitwo kwiyumiria kiharoni gia kiuteti thutha wa atongoria Mwahu wa Tanga na ria manyitaga mbaru munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto kwanira ni maritabanagia micemanio yao ya kwaririria mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI na kuhigia muingi maundu megimainie na riboti ino. Makiaria thutha wa mucemanio wa mwanya mwena wa Naivasha thiini wa kaunti ya Nakuru, atongoria maugite ni manyitete ugeni atongoria othe thiini wa mucemanio uyu ona gutuika giki kiahota gukorwo ari kiambiriria gia kuburithania mberi gatagati ga atongoria a kambe ici cieri.
For us, for every rally we will organize, we will make sure that every shade of opinion and every leader from different political parties and every place will not only speak, but they will have also a right to speak their mind without being forced to sing a particular recital before you can say your point.
Ningi atongoria ya no monanirie kwaga kuiganira no ria micemanio itatu ya gutwara BBI matura-ini nirireketie gutafanirio kaunti-ini itiganite makiuga makoretwo makiana andu anyite migwate na ucio tiguo batie gukorwo ari mwerekera wa BBI.
We will work with all 47 governors and we expect the governor of Nakuru to be there to also join us. The senator of Nakuru is already here. The MPs of Nakuru are here. And all of them are going to work together to ensure that Nakuru rally demonstrates the real message of building bridges.
Ihinda-ini riu no mugite o marikoragwo makiiga mabataro ma Wanjiku muhari-ini wa mbere uko makiheana mendekithia maria marenda makinyanirio kugira BBI umwe wamo ari kuongerera ruhonge rwa magoti kigina na hukumurika arimi na ahuri biashara nini.
Now we are entrenching it in the constitution to ensure that it is a particular figure, just like CDF is a particular figure in the law, just like all money going to counties no less than 15%. We are making it protected in law and automatically presented to the judiciary to manage their own resources without the situation where the Chief Justice has to beg for resources from the executive.
Na watongoria haki Afrika ni mareganete na riendekithia ria kubogwa thirikari ya gatatu uko makiugo nao ni megukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhigia muingi ndeto yegie BBI.
Hatuwezi kuwa kila baada ya miaka 10 ambapo nafasi ya manyadhifa za wengine kuendelea katika usimamizi zitakapokwisha kuwa tunabadilisha kila siku. Kumaanisha baada ya miaka mingine 10 tupanue tena na tuwe na nafasi zingine zaidi.
Maya magithiaga na mbere na kifaruthi wa bururi wa Amerika guku bururi-ini Kyle Makata ni uretie ateti metheme kuhurwo tete na riboti ino kuona gwika uguo kuhota gutuma riboti ino yage mwerekera.
I don't think BBI should be hijacked by politics or politicians. But I think you have the commitment from the governor that this is going to be a conversation that the people understand what is in it, and the people can decide if that's what's best for the future of Kenya.